Hello teacher, today I will talk about my dream job in the future. As a student of automotive engineering technology, I have a dream of becoming a service manager. Besides, I also want to work for VinFast Group in Haiphong. It's a place with a highly responsible working environment, especially of the service manager position. I'm responsible for supervising one's work, training new technicians. Sometimes I have to solve customers' difficult difficulty. Hmm, the job required a bachelor's degree, good good English skills, have from 3 to 5 years of experience in the automotive engineering technology industry. Besides that, I must be good at problem-solving skill to help employees solve difficult problems. Communication skill to communicate with customer and many other requirements. Hmm, if I try hard to practice 3 years after graduating and working, I can become a service manager. This is a very important position for the company. I hope I can do it. Thank you for listening.